Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to get anything you want in 3 days. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the very first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question you may have, and you will be guided through your situation in depth by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join. So the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. You can click the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. The way that we get absolutely anything that we want in 3 days, come closer, a little bit closer. We manifest it by saturating our subconscious minds. My category is, can we get an hallelujah? There is no way in hell that you won't get your thing if you simply use the law of assumption and affirm robotically as much as you possibly can from morning, noon, night, evening into the morning. We'll get into that in a second. And starting that all over again in the morning. See, whenever we are repeating the same thoughts over and over and over again, have you noticed that thing that you keep thinking and thinking and think about, whether it is a positive thing or a negative thing, like you're worried about getting a parking ticket and bam, you get a parking ticket because you non-stop think about it. That is manifestation. That is the law of assumption. Your dominant thoughts create your reality. By affirming, by simply just talking or thinking that of your manifestation coming to fruition right now, you will be able to get anything that you want in 3 days. Now, why 3 days specifically? To be completely honest with you, there is no rule book. In fact, the secret is you can get that thing that you're wanting right now. It can literally fall in your lap right now, instantly. But for many people, 3 days seems more realistic, and Neville Goddard loved using the 3-day example. It just gives you a little bit more buffer time to process that thing into your reality. Even though we can literally manifest it to fall on our laps instantly, can manifest out of thin air like that. But are we ready to have that conversation yet? Let's take, for example, manifesting a pet cat. All we have to do is repeat, I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. And guess what? In 3 days, the cat distribution system is going to give you a cat, or your subconscious mind, whatever one works for you. The universe, higher powers, God, whatever. I'm talking about the second that you wake up, every single living, breathing moment, while you are not using your brain, when you are waking up, walking to the kitchen, making yourself breakfast, having breakfast, walking to get ready for work, getting ready for work, on your way to work. Unless you are doing a very mundane task, we are not robotically affirming. Now, I don't want you to lose your job, but we are robotically affirming non-stop every single second of the day. You don't even need to think anything of it. You do not need to visualize this cat. You do not need to feel as though it is already here right now. We are simply saying, I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. This can apply to anything. Manifesting the love of your life, a dream job, financial freedom, winning the lottery, having amazing friends, having the best confidence, losing weight, having glass skin, being a supermodel, blowing up on social media, whatever you want. The key is to pick the right affirmation for you. I like to go as simple as possible. So if I'm manifesting losing 60 kilograms, I am simply saying I am 60 kilograms. Now, I said that I was going to get back to you on this one, but we are robotically affirming in the evening into the morning. So that is robotically affirming by using sats. Now, as soon as our head hits the pillow, we are again affirming, I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. You are non-stop repeating this over and over and over and over and over again until you fall asleep. What that does is it imprints that affirmation into your subconscious mind. And now for 8 hours or however long that you sleep, that affirmation is constantly looping and looping and looping in your brain. And what starts to happen is you start stabilizing into the person that has a pet cat. Do not sleep on this technique. This is like a genie telling you, hey, you have an infinite amount of wishes and you're not utilizing it. It is really, really, really simple, easy, effortless. I have a pet cat. Just keep repeating it, or your desired affirmation. Keep repeating, keep repeating, keep repeating like a robot as much as you can. Do not entertain the doubts, let them be there, but we're not playing around with them. We're not ruminating on them. We are letting them pass by themselves. We're not forcing them to pass, because the more we force, the more they would like to fight to stay. In other words, what we resist persists. And we are not persisting in the motherfucking resistance. What we are persisting in is our desires. So I want this to be drilled in your head. Affirm and persist. 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 No matter what. Trust you me, you will find that you will have your desire in 3 days. Let me know in the comment section down below what you have successfully manifested 3 days from you watching this video, and I will be sure to congratulate you. I am so happy and I'm so proud of you, and fuck it, let me just say congratulations now, because you already have your thing right now. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.